Hey guys, John V here from PhoneArena. Right now I'm taking a hands-on look at the Smart Stick from FAVI. Now this guy here turns any HD TV into a smart TV, and it's Android powered, running its own unique UI on top of Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. And it's very useful in the fact that if you don't want to buy a TV that has built-in smart functions, this guy will also suit you perfectly just because you connect it to any HD TV and you get that full functionality. So on the device here, it's pretty much just like a USB modem or a giant USB flash drive, but has a bunch of different ports around it to make it very versatile. So you have a 3.5mm headset jack, which you use to connect the included IR blaster, IR receiver, just because it comes with this remote here you could use to navigate around the platform. You have a mini USB port to charge this device. You have a full-size USB port right there in the back. Basically connect a variety of different peripherals, whether it be a mouse, keyboard, or in this case, if you purchase the optional FAVI Smart Stick keyboard, this guy comes included with a RF adapter, so you connect this guy in here and you could actually use this to navigate also around the platform if you want. You have a micro SD card slot here, so you could save, or connect a different type of multimedia content. Let's say you have music, pictures, videos on that card. You could watch it through the Smart Stick device here. And the one end here, of course, a standard HDMI port. So you connect this guy here to your television. And again, it's going to turn your TV into a smart TV. And we'll quickly look at the software right now. Alright guys, so I have the Smart Stick connected to my HD TV via the HDMI port, of course. And this is the UI that's running on in it. So you have this Android 4.1 Jelly Bean experience overlaid on top of this custom UI. It's very basic, to tell you the truth. Nothing really fancy about the look and style. You could change the wallpaper. You could also add a couple of widgets, very few widgets actually. So for example, you have a clock widget right there, and the other options are right here. And as far as just navigating across the UI, you're using the optional keyboard dock, the wireless keyboard that you could purchase separately. Now the keyboard itself retails for $40, and the Smart Stick device retails for $50. So you're looking at roughly around the $90 mark to get the combination, but you can still use the IR remote to actually navigate around the platform, but it's a lot better and easier just because you get a trackpad on the keyboard itself. So it's broken down, the UI, to different, you have your apps section, you have your browser, video, music, photos, and of course you have a micro SD card slot with multimedia content. You'll be able to watch videos, listen to your music, and even look at your photos. Now it is a with Google device just because it comes with, you have access to the Google Play Store, meaning you could download all the applications you would on a standard Android smartphone and tablet. So it's pretty neat in that regard. On top of that, you have other useful apps on here you could use. Gmail, of course. It's the same experience you find on a smartphone and tablet. Really easy to actually move around. And of course, you have third-party application support, Twitter, Facebook, all the stuff that you probably normally use. You also could download things like the YouTube client, so it's great because the unit itself, the Smart Stick, has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you connect to a hotspot and you'll be able to browse. Now the hardest part about it is just the navigation. It's not quite as intuitive or quick with a touchscreen on a smartphone or a tablet. You have to use the usual cursor right here to move around, and especially more difficult when it comes to surfing the web. It's just a tedious process. Now we installed Chrome here. We're going to show you how it looks like, show you how it loads up. The hardest part is that it doesn't have support for things like the pinch gestures that we're accustomed to using on smartphones and tablets. So when you're browsing the web here, for example, you actually have to press the directional keys up, down, left, and right to actually navigate around a page. You can't just simply do swipe gestures to easily move around. So it is very laborious, and of course the performance itself, the overall performance of the Smart Stick is a little bit on the sluggish side, especially for things like surfing the web. It's just not as seamless or quick compared to a smartphone. And we do notice that in other applications too. It might have just some delay in actually executing different functions. But hey, for $50, some people will definitely appreciate the functionality you get, turning your HD TV into a smart TV. So you could watch videos, play games on there. Again, it might not be the best experience as far as just navigating, but for the money, some people will surely appreciate that. So if you'd like to learn more about the Smart Stick from FAVI, guys, you could check out our website, PhoneArena.com. It's John V. Thanks for watching.